10 amazing facts about the human appendix. Number 1. Vestigial organ. The appendix is often considered a vestigial organ, meaning it has lost most or all of its original function through evolution. In humans, it is believed to have once played a role in digestion, particularly in processing cellulose, but is no longer essential. Number 2. Size variation. The size of the appendix can vary greatly among individuals. It can range from a few centimeters to more than 20 centimeters in length. Number 3. Immune function. Recent research suggests that the appendix may serve as a reservoir for beneficial gut bacteria. In cases where the intestines are purged of these bacteria, such as during severe diarrhea, the appendix may help repopulate the gut with beneficial microbes. Number 4. Appendicitis. Appendicitis is the inflammation of the appendix and is a medical emergency. It typically presents with severe abdominal pain, fever, and vomiting. If left untreated, it can lead to the rupture of the appendix, causing potentially life-threatening complications. Number 5. Surgical removal. Appendectomy, the surgical removal of the appendix, is one of the most common emergency surgeries performed worldwide. It is usually done to prevent the risk of a ruptured appendix. Number 6. Evolutionary debate. The evolutionary purpose of the appendix has been a topic of debate among scientists for decades. Some theories suggest it may have been more useful in our evolutionary past when the human diet was different. Number 7. Appendix in other animals. While humans have an appendix, it's not unique to our species. Several other mammals, including certain primates, rabbits, and rodents, also have an appendix. Number 8. Appendix in fossil record. Evidence of the appendix exists in the fossil record, indicating that it has been a part of mammalian anatomy for millions of years. This suggests that it may have had a more significant role in the past. Number 9. Appendix and age. The incidence of appendicitis is highest in people between the ages of 10 and 30. However, it can occur at any age. Number 10. Post-appendectomy health. Contrary to previous beliefs, research suggests that the removal of the appendix does not have a significant impact on overall health or longevity. People who have undergone an appendectomy can lead normal, healthy lives without their appendix. These facts can provide a comprehensive overview of the appendix, its functions, and its significance in human biology.